turbo, no air leaks. I'll be up in top two.